Yeah, drop the fence.
He says it helps us a lot with our lessons. He says that we need some notebooks to write down our stuff in, so it really helps a lot.
We're out here in the middle of nowhere. I mean, we were flying for, a while, and then next thing you know, we dropped down into a valley, and next thing you know, we're at a school. Who knew a school was here, I would assume everybody was just farmers and probably didn't have a school, but they're very, very smart kids here.
In America, they say education is very important. How do you guys feel?
They say that we think the same, that education is important. Yeah.
Knowing that, kids are the future for wherever you're at, and these are the future for Afghanistan. I hope that we can provide them hope, is what I think we are able to do, or at least that's what I wish we're able to do, is give them a little bit of hope for a brighter Afghanistan.
You guys